Tell me why it had to be this hard for you to apologize or even realize how much pain you put me through. You used to have 1,000 reasons why you loved me so before. Now I'm a part of a different story, of a girl that you once let go. You could sing another love song to me, only if you'd sing it with a heart that's true. You could tell me words of love so sweetly, just don't leave me all alone and blue. Don't you ever make me cry now, say that I'm a Tomorrow seems so far away, so far away. And now I see that everything can change. Everything can change. My love for you gets stronger as tomorrow comes. I know this love will stand the test of time. And if forever's not enough for me to love you, I'd spend another lifetime, baby. If you ask me to, there's nothing I won't do. Forever's not enough for me to love you so. For you, there's nothing I can do, and never will I ever go. Forever's not enough to love you so. But if forever ends one day, I promise you I'll stay to show you that my love will never end. And if forever's not enough for me to love you, I'd spend another lifetime, baby. If you ask me to, there's nothing I won't do. Forever's not enough to love you so. And if forever's not enough for me to love you, I'd spend another lifetime, baby. If you ask me to, there's nothing I won't do. Forever's not enough for me to love you so. Return to a land called Paraiso, a place where a dying river ends. No birds dare fly over Paraiso. No space allows them to endure the smoke that screens the air, the grass that's never there. And if I could see a single bird, what a joy. I try to write some words and create a simple song to be heard by the rest of the world. I live in this land called Paraiso, in a house made of cardboard floors and walls. I learned to be free in Paraiso, free to claim anything I see. Natural rags for my clothes, plastic bags for the cold. And if empty cans were all I have, what a joy. I never tried to take someone else's coins and live with